I assume you click on this video because you want to become a software engineer, or what they call a software developer. You are never lost, because I'm going to tell you of a very secret on how you can actually become a software engineer, or what they call a software developer in South Africa or anywhere in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Senzo Kelvin Shinga, and my goal is to help you become a software developer or a software engineer that the companies want to hire. My job is to help you with the research on finding the very best place where you can study software engineering for absolutely free, and you don't have to pay anything, and you do not even need to have metric. Let's not waste any time. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time when I upload a video. Watch the whole video because you do not want to miss any part of it, because once you miss something, it's your loss. I know of a school that will actually teach you software development for absolutely free. This school will teach you software engineering for 2 years, and in the end you will get an NQF level 5 in information technology systems development, where you can work as a software engineer. Unfortunately, if you are out of the country, unfortunately for you, you do need to be on campus, because everything is done on campus. And the best thing about this school is that it is accredited. It is accredited by MICT CETA with certification NQF level 5 information technology systems development. One might ask, how do I apply? There is an entrance test that you are required to complete, and it takes up to 30 minutes to complete, but they will give you the whole 1 hour to complete it. And if you do pass that online assessment that you are given, you will then be invited into a 6-day selection bootcamp where your skills will be tested. The purpose of this 6-day selection bootcamp is to test you if you are actually the good fit for the program. And if you also pass this 6-day selection bootcamp, you will then be granted a spot to become one of this school's students. One might say, but I don't have a coding experience. Don't worry, because this school will take you from 0 to hero. You do not need any coding experience. But one might say, but I don't have money to pay for food and rent. Well, don't worry, because this school will also give you the money. It will give you enough to take care of your groceries and your rent while you attend. As I'm talking right now, their graduates are placed at the high-paying job positions, and they work for big companies like F&B, Special Audio, and DealX, etc. And they make really good money. Well, from what I remember, I didn't give you the school name, but it's obvious if you have heard about this school before. That school name is WeThinkCode. If you want to become a software engineer and make good money just like other graduates, I'll put the link in the description. You can go ahead and apply.